Hi, I'm Vinod Kumar from OnionPy team. OnionPy is a visual intelligence platform which will help you in taking business decisions. Today I'm going to talk about some of the amazing playground which we have created on top of OnionPy platform specifically for SAP Business One users. Though SAP allows you to create reports using query generator, there are two major problems I see. One is you either end up talking to a functional or a technical consultant just to add a new dimension in this report. The second major issue is since this is a two-dimensional view, it is very difficult to derive any inputs from this report. For example, though this is a sales report comprising data for all the month, with this view you cannot easily figure out which is the top selling month, who is the top sales employee, and also you cannot compare the sales employee wise performance, and the list goes on. Imagine if the same report is presented in a visually appealing format. You can easily see for yourself which is the top selling month, who is the top selling sales employee, and then which customer group is actually performing well. Just by changing the data presentation, you can get so many answers which triggers you to ask more business questions. Just think about the impact you can make on your business. On top of the visual presentation, how about we asking more questions and the system answers it? This is what we have exactly done with OnionPy. We have created a sales playground which directly talks to SAP on a real-time basis. Let's talk about it more. What you see over here is a ready-made playground built on OnionPy based on SAP Business One transaction. Any SAP Business One customer can start using this dashboard without involving their technical team. Okay. The dashboard is primarily built based on two transactions. One is sales invoice and another one is credit memo transaction. I can see key performance indicators. I can see segmented sales data like customer segment wise sales data, state wise sales, city wise sales. I can also see comparison charts like year wise sales and month wise sales. Okay. Now as a business user, I'd like to analyze my historical data so that I can derive inputs from my historical data, and then based on the inputs I wanted to apply those inputs in the current scenario. Now let's assume that if I were to do this analysis in SAP Business One, I generate a report. Now if I wanted to drill down the sales information for a particular sales employee, I use this filter, select Bhaskar Lakshmana, and then I filter. Now what I see over here is the data related to Bhaskar Lakshmana. Because of this format, I'm not able to get any business intervention decision. Okay. Now how OnionPy helps us, while you are looking at the sales information, okay, you can see sales employee wise information, month wise chart, and then you can also see as a company which product we are focusing more. Now if I click on Bhaskara Lakshmana, the entire playground displays information only related to Bhaskara Lakshmana. Now you can see what products Bhaskara Lakshmana is primarily focusing on. Now I also see a surprising factor saying in the month of March he performed well. So I wanted to see what happened in March. So I click on March. I see a very surprising moment saying he focused a lot on rainbow printers and servers rather than the general items. Now I can able to derive these business decisions by interacting with the data. Now I can choose whether can I apply the same strategy what Bhaskara Lakshmana has applied in the month of March. Can I generalize those strategy for all the sales employees? With OnionPy you can interact with the data and you can take business decisions.